Hey guys, it's Lord of the Phones, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to repair the Samsung Galaxy Tablet 10.1. Keep this in mind guys, that this is not a tutorial. This is just a short demonstration of one of the services we provide here at lordofthephones.com. I also thought it'd be cool to show a video like this since there were none online during this recording. Alright, first thing I do is remove the back cover from the unit itself. I'm using a safety pry tool to do this. I'm taking this nice and easy because I don't want to snap the LCD. Any sudden movement and the LCD could snap. Alright, so I'm working my way around the tablet and I finally got it off. Notice how I'm wearing an anti-static strap around my wrist as well as working on top of anti-static mat. These two items are to prevent any static electricity from building up and shocking up any devices that I'm repairing. So now I'm going to remove the battery and the logic board away from the unit itself. I start out by removing all the flex cable that are attached to the logic board. I'm keeping all these screws organized into one spot by placing them on the magnet. By doing it this way, I will not lose any screw during the repair. I'm being extra careful here when I'm removing the battery flex cable away from the logic board because any sudden jerk can damage this cord and render this device useless. After removing the battery, I gently lift all the flex cable off the logic board. So now I'm making sure that all the flex cable are in place and none of it is ripped. Alright, now this is where the fun begins. I'm applying heat at a distance from 8 inches away from the tablet. You don't want to put it too close because if you do, you're going to damage the LCD. And if you damage the LCD, it's going to cost a lot of money to repair. The reason why I'm applying heat to this is to melt the adhesive that's holding the glass digitizer to the mainframe. By doing this, it is easier to remove the digitizer. So now I'm finding an insertion point to put the blade in. Be careful not to jam too far because if you do, you will damage the LCD. So now I'm working my way around with my blade to separate the digitizer from the mainframe. Take this nice and easy. Looks like there's a stubborn part right here. All I need to do is apply some more heat just to relax it and I can remove it. Now I'm using a vacuum to remove all the glass shards that may be left on the screen. Doing so will eliminate any scratches from the LCD. Now I'm applying cleaning solution to remove any adhesive that might got on during the removal of the adhesive or any marks or smudges that was left behind. All the parts we use here at Lord of the Phones are high quality parts installed by professionals, and all of our repairs are covered by a 90 days manufacturer warranty. What I'm about to do now is install the digitizer back onto the mainframe. Guys, this is one of the hardest and trickiest thing to do on this project. The reason so is because underneath the digitizer is permanent adhesive, so once you lay it on the mainframe, it is not easily removed. Now I'm applying gentle pressure around the edges of the tablet just to make sure that the tablet is sealed and it is even. So now I've just reattached the logic board and the battery as well as all the flex cable back together, making sure that everything fits nice and smooth. That's the way it was before. Alright, looks like the job is complete. Now just gotta turn it on and make sure it works. Okay, now that it's on, I'm going to have to test this to make sure there are no dead spot on the digitizer. Alright, so everything looks good. Everything has been tested. The screen is working fine. And if you have any questions or comment, you can reach us at lordofthephones.com. And thanks for watching, guys.